it out a little bit. Go. There you go. See, it's not shifting. Sounds good, the motor, but not shifting. It should be. Speed band? Alright guys, so as you guys can see right there, that is my old TMaxx Classic. That was my first ever Nitro. I got that thing when I was around 7 years old. I had the Hlash before that for a little bit, but I think my dad traded it and I got it for Christmas, and I love that thing. It originally had the 2.5 motor in it, but you know, I drove that thing all the time with my dad in his A-scale cars. I remember doing donuts with that, and that was so long time ago. I'm almost 16 now, and that thing's been sitting for a really long time. We got it running last year, just for a little bit, and it wasn't running that good. It had pretty much open header exhaust because of the pipe was all broken. But I decided to, because we used to have a aftermarket tuned pipe, but the header cracked. So we were going to use the stock stuff, but it was a plastic pipe and it split. What I ended up doing though is I ended up fixing it with some silicone piping. And so yeah, that fixed it a lot. So as you guys see right there, the motor's running good. That's all I wanted to. But basically the reason why I put that in this video is I want to show you guys that I'm still into the Nitros. Even though that there's going to be new electric RCs on the channel, I still have a lot of Nitro cars. I still got my LST. I still run that all the time. I still run my RS4 all the time. And now I'm going to be restoring the TMaxx back to its former glory. A couple things we need to do with that is basically my plan of action was to make sure that the motor is running good. So it is running good. It just needs to be tuned a little bit. Low speed needle needs to go in a little bit. Then I need to fix the throttle linkage. I need to fix the steering linkage. I need to adjust the brakes. And I need to fix the 2-speed. We ended up doing a forward conversion, but we never had the time to adjust the 2-speed, so I need to adjust that. Once we get it running all good and everything like that, I'm going to strip the whole thing down and rebuild it and clean it all up and everything like that, and I'm going to be driving it. It's not going to be a shelf clean, but I'm going to be driving it, but just not as much, you know. I'm going to keep the AM radio in it, the FM radio in it, because, you know, that's what I used to run back then. And yeah, guys, that's basically going to be that. So stay tuned for this channel for TMaxx restoration. Yeah, guys, so let's just go back to, you know, what this whole video is about, and that is about Project Hlash and it's ripping it. I've been running it for about over a week now, since this video started. I've just been recording clips here and there. That's what you guys are going to see now. But everything is pretty good. Have no issues so far, just little things here and there that I had to make and adjust. But other than that, it's running really good, guys, so let's see this video.